In the last video, we saw how we can pass the JSON data to our HTTP app. In this video, we will see how we can use Postman in order to trigger our function. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to grab the URL of this particular function app. Now it gives us three options: master, default, and host key. So there is a URL, and after the question mark, you can also see the function key and other keys as well. If I go to the Postman, I have already selected the post method and I have copied the URL here. Okay, now in the key, I will define a name called X functions key. Then I will copy this value of the function key from the URL. By the way, I can also get it from this option here called function keys. And if I click on the show value button, then I can also grab it from here. Then what I need to do, I need to pass this key for authentication and authorization, in the header. So if I click on send, I should be able to get some result. So as you can see, I'm getting the result. Hello Postman, this HTTP trigger got successfully executed successfully. Now in the body, I already defined my JSON here. Let me try to execute it again. I will change it to my name and let's say beautify, and we will run it again. As you can see, this time also it got triggered successfully. Now there is one more option how you can just trigger it. Just delete this and grab the full URL from the code. We will just copy this entire code here, and if I click on params, it has also copied the code, basically the value of the key in the query parameters. Let's try to run it again, and it got ran successfully. So this is how you can use Postman in order to trigger your HTTP function. Now this holds true for any other application that you will be integrating your Azure function to. So let's say that you have a JavaScript or any other application that you have built, and you need to invoke some API calls, right? And you need to invoke this HTTP trigger. Similarly, you can use the any of the keys here, most probably function key, because master keys are not supposed to be used, and host key works for all functions. So probably you will work with function key here, but if you have multiple functions that need to run simultaneously or that they need to run from a single application, then you can go with host key, which will trigger all the functions within your app. In the next video, we will talk more about access keys.